And once you mastered your team, go outside of your team and network with other teams and other departments as well. Do exactly the same thing. Reach out to people, introduce yourself as the intern. You want to learn more. You want to get a better idea of what it is that they are doing, and set up lunches and just talk to a lot of people. Build your network. And the best way to network with people outside of your own team is simply by starting from alumni from your school. Right? So most likely there are some former students from your school that work in the company and who would be happy to share their experience with you, since you share the same university. So make sure you go on LinkedIn and you look who works in this company and who went to the same school that I did. So what are the alumni working in my company? So once you have that, again, schedule the meeting for a coffee, for a lunch, talk to them, build relationships, and impress them. So this is your goal, okay? And now, if you don't have alumni, or if you're done with that, just talk to random people. It can be anybody. What you want to do is to build as many relationships as possible. So even if you're in the elevator, and there is another person in the elevator in the morning, just introduce yourself. Say, hi, I'm Steve. I'm an intern here, and I'm trying to learn as much as I can about the company and about the different roles and departments. Would you be willing to have a coffee with me and, let me borrow 15 minutes of your time so we can maybe chat about your role, about how you like it here, etc., etc. Boom, you need to become a networking machine, a magnet for people and contacts, because your ultimate goal is to build relationships with as many people as possible. Because once you're done with the internship, what you can do is you can leverage each of these relationships to learn about job openings. Okay? So, set yourself a goal and tell yourself that you want to have lunch with at least 2 new people every week. Right? So there's this famous saying, never have lunch alone, of course, and never have lunch with the same people. So make sure that you do the effort to at least schedule 2 lunches or 2 coffee sessions, whatever it is, with new people, where you can introduce yourself and where you can learn about the role and where you can invest in building these relationships. I can't tell you how many times I see that people are in the internship and the only people that they have lunch with or have coffee with are folks who are fellow interns. So there is a bunch of friends, fellow intern friends, who go together, have lunch together, do everything together. And I mean, it's great, right? You should have that. You are among young people, they're from different schools, you want to build your network as well. That's great, but think about it. You need to get outside of your comfort zone and talk to people you don't know, meet new people, people who already are in the company who can help you to get back in. Okay? This is where the real value is. So make sure you set up lunches with at least 2 people every week.